Hi, Rob Twyroll, Customer Service Manager for Australia and New Zealand. 890 Adventure R is built for riders who dare to push the boundaries. And we know Aussie riders and Kiwi riders are prepared and skilled enough to take this adventure bike through some of the harshest conditions in the world here in our own countries. The We Have Your Back campaign is aimed directly at supporting you, the customer, by increasing the factory warranty duration to 5 years. Included are regional specific enhancements to the airbox and the fitting of dual foam air filters. We are offering riders more backup, more value and more confidence. KTM has your back.